So I have this matcha set here. It's super nice. It comes in this beautiful gift box, which makes it super easy for gift giving. It is a 5-piece set, which is super nice. So you have step-by-step instructions on how to make your matcha. You also have drink recipes on the other side, which is super nice. Then we have a Matcha Whisk holder. We have a matcha bowl. It's a ceramic matcha bowl, and it has that spout on there. And it matches the whisk holder. We have a sieve, a bamboo spoon. Lastly, we have the handmade whisk here. And it sits right on the whisk holder just like this. And this is super nice to keep it dry, so no bacteria collects. Super nice. So this pumpkin looking bowl is super cute. I love those gold leaf details in there. It is a premium ceramic, super nice. The feel of it is kind of, definitely has like a light texture. However, it's super smooth as well. So it's really nice, premium feeling bowl, super beautiful. It is a lead-free bowl, and all of the items here are made super nicely. And very well thought out, very well made, which is super nice. So premium bamboo and really good ceramic. So first what we're going to do is we're going to add 2 teaspoons of matcha to the bowl. Add 2 teaspoons here. Matcha. And then we're simply gonna just sift the matcha. Use the spoon to kind of get all those other extra clumps out of it. 1/4 cup of hot water into the matcha bowl. And then you have your little matcha whisk here, and you're gonna go in an M shape formation. And you're going to do this until it gets frothy. So this is what it should look like when it's done, nice and frothy. And then we're just going to pour it into our cup because our matcha is done. I love that pour spout, so it's super nice. Does not create a mess. And then for a hot matcha latte, we're going to pour in some steamed milk. And that is our matcha latte drink. So with this set, it was super nice, really easy to use. The brewing experience was amazing because of the step-by-step directions. And the set just made it super easy to use. You have everything you need here to make a matcha drink, which is super nice. You also have different instructions on how to make different kind of matcha drinks, which is also super nice. And it is a very durable, well-made set, and I highly recommend this. And also that gift box that was given with it really makes it easy for gift giving, and this would be a great gift for birthdays, anniversaries, Christmas, anything really. Cheers.